600 grams of fat-free beef minced meat. Add half a large onion. Add 1 large and 1 medium garlic clove. Add half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 1 large egg and mix together. Add 200 to 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix until you get the same consistency as seen in the video. Split the mixture into 180-gram patties each. You should get about 6 to 8 patties. Separate them with parchment paper as seen. Enjoy!